To clean your Model 7, we recommend wiping down the seamer daily with water and a rag. A small amount of sanitizer or dish soap works great. It's not recommended to use other cleaners. To reach behind the splash guard, remove the 2 quick release pins. Once a week or so, pull the lower adapter off the bearing and wipe down the bearing and spring washer. Dry them off and add a dab of grease. Make sure the base shaft is cleaned regularly. It can build up a sticky residue over time and needs to be wiped down and applied with a thin layer of grease. Overall, the Model 7 is very easy to get the hang of, and you should be able to pick it up quite quickly. For more information, check out our other Model 7 tutorial videos.